Hey everyone, this is a market recap for Wednesday, April 1st, the first of the month. Traditionally a bullish day for the market. For the ES, we're looking at the full gap, which is the previous day's 4 p.m. close. We're also looking at half the distance to that, quarter of the distance to that, and just as I didn't trade the previous day, I was also traveling on this day. But I wanted to do a review just to see what was happening. Now, gaps have been a little wild with this Iran war stuff. It's just making things a little less technical. But, what you can do is fade a move that's not working. If the move into the gaps are not working, you can take the reverse side. Or it keeps you out of a bad trade. So let's take a look at these magnets. It's a Wednesday. We start with day of week. Our day of week tells us that the half gap has a 90% chance of filling. The full gap is a little under 70%. So that probably would have been the plan. When we gap up, let's see, 43, what was the open? We opened up at 66.06. The full gap was down 46 points, let's say. So, when you're opening up 40 plus on a Wednesday, actually the half gap still has a pretty good percentage at 77%. The full gap is less than 40%. So that's no good. So you wouldn't aim for a full gap trade, or you would just hold the runner and go to break even. But let's see what opportunities starting at 8:30 Eastern they gave us. We got some action here into it. We actually ended up opening up in between the 78.6 and 61.8 retracement. And if you nab that, let's say 66.27, 26, whatever, you could use that previous high as a stop. Waiting for the participation, waiting for the rejection right away, and then just getting in because you know that there's an edge going towards the gap. That's the only reason you would do that. But as you can see, that breaks. So we actually end up filling the quarter, I believe. So the low was 65.98, and that quarter looks like, yeah, we came close. We probably filled it, and we just bounced right from there. So you'll see that with these quarter gaps a lot of times. If they're aggressively bullish or aggressively bearish, they're going to touch that quarter and go. And that's what happens. So generally with us, if we're in that trade, say we got in here towards the quarter, we'd set ourselves to break even. And once that fills, we take off a target. We probably have another target sitting here, and we get stopped out, and that's what we do for the day. We're done for the day. If you want to get aggressive, you can play the reverse of that and see that we filled the quarter, and we never looked back. That was the low. So that's another way of doing it, fading the full gap move and, knowing that the probabilities are with you for that day. What was happening with the VIX at this time? The VIX was kind of going sideways. So not a great day for trading, it looked like. Again, this Iran war is messing things up, but that was our summary for Wednesday, April 1st.